Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essential files and a bootable drive ready. First, back up your Steam Deck data to an external SSD or large SD card because installing Windows will overwrite partitions. Then, download the Windows ISO and use Rufus or Ventoy to write it to a USB 3.0 stick. Ventoy lets you reuse the drive. Once done, reboot the deck, hold the volume down button to enter BIOS, and change boot order so USB is first. This gets you into the installer quickly. You'll follow the Windows installer prompts and pick Custom Install to manage partitions. Carefully delete Steam OS partitions. Do not touch the EFI if you plan to dual boot. Otherwise, recreate an EFI partition of 100 to 500 megabytes. Create an NTFS partition sized for Windows, install to it, and let the installer create recovery files. Once the core setup completes and Windows restarts, make a local user or Microsoft account. You can delay signing in to finish driver installs and configuration afterward for stability. You finish by installing the deck-specific drivers, audio, GPU, trackpads, and EC firmware, either from the official package or a trusted community build. Install in small batches and reboot between major groups to catch issues. Then configure Steam input mappings, calibrate touch and gyro, and adjust display scaling and power profiles so battery life and thermals match your needs. If Windows won't boot, try Safe Mode to remove a driver. Reinstall the GPU driver or restore your backup image. That single troubleshooting step often fixes installer-related failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.